Hey, hi, we're going to review this app to find out if this app is legit or it's scam. Okay, now a quick answer: I believe RechargePoint is a legit app, though it has some issues as we're going to see. Okay, though it has some issues as we're going to see. The first good reason why I love this app is it has reviews enabled, so it's easy to know what other people are going through. Okay, which is not actually the same with other recharge apps. Some of them actually disable reviews, but for this, you can easily know the challenges that other people go through, as we're going to see. All right, when you go through the reviews, you realize actually this guy is kind of you may get time to reply to some of the complaints. So it means at least there's some level of customer care you can expect from Recharge Point. Now, please note you are not affiliated with RechargePoint. This is just a video for education purposes and review. So, yes. So when you go for the reviews, it provides a higher commission than other applications. It's a fantastic app for instant mobile and DTH recharges, bill payments, and high cashback opportunities. The only maybe bad side I see is when you recharge and money doesn't reflect in your app, they actually do a refund. They can do a refund, but that refund doesn't go directly to your to the payment that you used. It goes to this app. Maybe that is something that actually it's a similar person which said here that transactions mostly fail and they return your money only through the wallet. Okay, so don't use the such apps. They will not refund your money to your original payment way. So this is something maybe you have to be careful about. I think this is the main complaint which people are saying. Like if it fails sometimes, because sometimes apps may fail, but when they are refunding the money, they don't refund the money to the method that you use. They just actually refund the money to your wallet, to the app wallet. Okay, something like that. So that's what I can say. But generally, it's an exciting app. A lot of people are picking it up with it. I think for the current downloads, it stands at 100K downloads as of Feb 2026. Yeah, that's what I can say. Let me know what you think about Richard Point app. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss random app reviews like this, okay? See you in the next video and bye-bye.